Ring your own doorbell. Come in. Quack, quack.
What are you doing here?
Thought I'd cook my goose egg. Is that any way to treat your long-lost friend, your father?
Your father?
Ugly certainly runs in the family.
He's not my father. Don't listen to him.
He is overcome. Son, hug your daddy. Your mother and I have been worried.
He's not my father. Don't let him near me.
Now.
Does he look like a duck?
Folk who live in glass houses shouldn't call the kettle black. Or something like that. Children will have their fun. I'm sorry if he's caused you an inconvenience, and I'm most grateful that you've kept him in one piece. Come along now, Ducky. Thank the nice poultry for looking after you.
He's not my father. He's a cat, I tell you. A sly, double-crossing, treacherous,
hungry,
no good, conniving tomcat.
It's no use. Hello.
Another duck. Haven't got a pond to be to.
No. Shouldn't he be getting back? He said his mother was sick with worry. No.
I told you. He's a tomcat.
A tomcat, you say? Don't get any funny ideas, Queenie. We have an arrangement, don't forget. Madam, I'd be honored, though I'm not of your ilk, if we could get together, maybe share a dish of milk.
Sir, I'd be delighted, though it's true we are a scruff. But when one's had things easy, one likes a bit of rough.
Queenie! You loose cat! Meow! Together on the tiles we will talk a turn. Together we will sit on garden walls. Together we will make Jerusalem a turn. Together you'll be throwing up for balls.
Together, we will build ourselves a Cadillac. Together, after dark we'll fly away.
Together we will stroke our cats. Now, purr. Together you could string a violin. Like you forgot to do, then it has burned. Nothing makes you in. You need to feeding worm, and with your last attack, you almost feel the sex, so maybe you should go. It's only fair to say that she's rather prone to carry parasites. Hers on her own, and on the high in front, to both frank and blunt, it's better you don't know. Although I don't wish to write, I don't think she'd be your type.
Together, we will sing our own cat chorus. Together, we will sing our favorite kiss. Together, we will conquer all they foe for us.
Together, you can rid her of her fleas. You have to help me out. Looking pretty pretty will become of me. She's so glowy clean. She's gonna gooey eyed, and I'm terrified. She'll leave me on the shelf. Go on then, run! Oh dear, alas, alas, the door's left ajar. The duckling has escaped. He won't have gone that far. If you start making tracks, you're bound to hear his quacks and catch him for yourself. Don't let us delay your trip. He'll soon be within your grip.